discuss right angle triangle of trigonometry. ओके, सो आज हम लोग क्या करेंगे, कुछ ट्राइंगल राइट एंगल के बारे में हम लोग आपको डिस्कस कर चुके थे, वो तो आपको हम डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल देंगे उस वीडियो को। तो आज हम लोग क्या करें, सीखने वाले हैं कोई ट्राइंगल स्केलन है। ओके, स्केलन ट्राइंगल है और वो एक्यूट एक हो सकता है, वो एक्यूट हो सकता है आपका जो है ऑब्ट्यूस हो सकता है आपका एक्यूट होगा या तो ऑब्ट्यूस होगा। राइट एंगल का था वो कॉन्सेप्ट बता चुके हैं, डोंट वरी। उसके लिए आपका स्केलन ट्रायंगल जो है, राइट एंगल भी स्केलन ट्रायंगल ही होता है, तो आप डोंट वरी, उसके लिए नहीं सोचना है। तो ये आपको आज बताने, कोई ट्रायंगल अगर एक्यूट होगा, राइट एंगल नहीं होगा, तो हम लोग कैसे उस चीज़ को फाइंड करेंगे, ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक रेशियो को। ओके, सो आज जो डिस्कस करने वाले हैं वो आपको स्केलन ट्रायंगल का एक्यूट एंगल ट्रायंगल में कैसे हम लोग फाइंड करेंगे ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक रेशियो को, देन ये हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे। ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू कैन सी दिस इज द ट्रायंगल। Okay, this is the triangle, or this is acute angle triangle. Okay, so here is the A, here is the B, here is the C. Okay, so as you know that if a capital A indicate to the angle, then length of side A will क्या A, and here is small b and here is small c. Okay, so we can write here but let AB equals to AB, let ABC be or be acute angle triangle, okay, such that you can see here AB equals to what, C, and BC equals to what, A, and AC equals to what, B. Okay, AC equals to B. So we can apply the cosine formula. Okay, we can apply the cosine formula. If you will need to find here cos A, so you can apply here like B square plus C square minus 2BC, minus A square by 2BC. Okay, this is the formula to find cos A. Okay, in the case of cos B, you can find here but A square plus but C square minus B square by but 2AC. Okay, next thing, that is the cos C. Cos C means you can find here B square plus A square minus C square divided by 2AB, and after that you can find sin A. As you know that the formula of sin A, you can go through your basic formula, that is the identities. Okay, suppose here is sin A, so you can find here root under 1 minus cos square. This is the formula to find here sin A, and after that this is the sin A, and after that sin B. You can find here the formula 1 minus cos square D and sin C. Okay, so 1 minus cos square C. Okay, so this is the formula to find sin A, sin B and sin C. Okay, and after that we can solve your basic formulas like tan A. You can write here what, we can write here sin A by cos B, sin A by cos A, that is the tan A, and next is tan B, that is the sin B by cos B. Okay, sin B by cos B, and next is tan C. Tan C is what, tan C we can write here sin C by cos C. Okay students, so we can find here all of the things. Suppose this is the fundamental things. Okay, the reciprocal of cos A equals to sec A, the reciprocal of cos B equals to sec B, the reciprocal of cos C equal to sec C, and the reciprocal of sin A equals to cosec A, and similarly the reciprocal of tan A equals to cot A. So you can find all of the things regarding regarding this formula. This is known as cosine formula. Okay, this is known as cosine formula. This is the cosine formula. Okay, so student, you should remember that formula to find any trigonometric ratio regarding the regarding to scalene or acute triangle. Okay, if you have no right angle, then how will you find all the identities, or sorry, all the trigonometry ratio? So you can see that things. Okay, so first of all we can also apply it. Case number 1, if the triangle B is 90 degree, then what will happen? You can see. Okay, well, if triangle angle B is acute, then in this case, if angle B is right, then what will happen? You can see here. Suppose case number 1, just I am going to discuss. Okay, so case number 1, just I am going to discuss something, that is the right angle triangle. Okay, so student, you can understand that things means case number 1. Okay, when triangle is acute, sorry, when angle B equals to 90. Okay, so we can draw it like this way. Okay, so this is the A, this is the B, and this is the C. So here is the B, and here is the A, and here is the what? C. Okay, so we can write here cos B equals to what? A square plus C square minus B square divided by AC. Okay, so you can see the value of B equals to what? 90. So we can put here cos 90. Okay, so cos 90 equals to what? A square plus C square minus B square by 2AC. And as you know that the cos 90, that means 0. Okay, 0 equals to what? A square plus C square minus B square divided by 2AC. When you will multiply it, then you will get here A square plus C square minus B square equals to 0. So A square plus C square equals to B square. So this is the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, this is the PT. Understood? No? So that is the things. Okay, you can apply these things in the right angle also. So next thing, whenever triangle, whenever angle of B obtuse, then what will happen in that case? Okay, so case number 2, we can write here case number 2. We can write here case number 2. Then what will happen? Just I am going through that. Suppose here angle B is obtuse. Okay, so angle B is obtuse means angle B is obtuse. So we can write here question that first, that is the in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, if A equals to 3 centimeter or A equals to 3, you can write B equals to what? B equals to 5 and C equals to 7. Okay, so you can find all the trigonometric ratios regarding, then you can say find all TF with respect to acute angle. Okay, with respect to acute angle. So first of all, you can see this is the triangle. Okay, this is triangle. This is triangle. Here is the A, here is the B, here is the C, and here is the small a, here is the small b, and here is the small c. You can see the value of A, that is the 3, the value of B, that is the 5, and the value of C, that is the 7. Okay, so first of all, please try to write this. First of all, please try to find all of the first of all, you will have to apply the cosine formula. So okay, so we can write here we have A equals to what? 3, B equals to 5, and C equals to 7, Okay, so we can apply here cos A equals to what? B square plus C square minus a square divided by 2bc. Okay, we can write here. So b square means what? We can write here 5 square plus c square means 7 square minus a square means 3 का square divided by 2 into bc means 2 into 5 into 7. Okay, so first of all please try to find here. So 5 का square 25 here. We can write here, but here is the 25 plus 49 minus 9 divided by 5 to the 10, 7 the 40. So here is the 40 plus 25, that is the 65. Yes, 65 by 70. You can simplify like 13 by 40. Okay, so this is the value of cos A, and after that you can apply the value of cos B. Okay, so cos B equals to what? We can write here a square plus c square minus b square divided by 2ac. Okay, so first of all we can write here the value a square plus c square means here is a 3 square plus c square means what? 5 7 square and minus what? b square means 5 square. Okay, divided by 2 into 3 into 7. So first of all you can see the value of cos b. I think cos b equals to what? 3 का square 29 plus what? 49 minus 25 divided by 42. So you can see 49 plus 9, that is the 49 means we can write 58, and 58 minus 25. So here is the 3 and 5 to 3 means 32 by 42. 33 by 42 we can simplify it 11 by 40. Okay, this is the value of cos B, and again we can find the value of cos C. So cos C is what? You can operate it. Cos C means what? A square plus b square minus c square by 2ab. Okay, so 2ab, the value of a means we can write here a, that is the 3 square plus b means what? 5 square, and the value of c is that is the 7 square by 2ab, 2 into 3 into b. Okay, so here is the 9, here is the 25, here is the 49, and here is the 3 to the 6, 6 5 is 30. So we can write here but 25 minus 9. Yes, 25 plus 9. Okay, so 25 plus 9, that is the, yes, so we can write here, this is the value. I think 25 plus 9, 34 minus 34 is 6, and 6 9 15. Yes, 50 minus 15 by 30, that is the minus 1 by 2. Okay, so trigonometric ratio may be negative. Okay, don't worry. So you can find all of the things with regarding cos. Okay, now you can find the value. Now you can find the value what? Sin A, sin B, sin C. Okay, so you can find the value sin A, sin B, sin C from given values. Okay, so first of all please try to write here cos A equals to what? Cos A equals to what? 13 by 40. Cos A equals to 13 by 40. Cos B equals to what? 11 by 14. Okay, and cos C equals to what? Cos C equals to what? Minus 1 by 2. Cos C equals to minus 1 by 2. So first of all we can operate the formula. Okay, first we can operate the formula of the questions. So we can write here what? Sin A. Okay, we can write here sin A. So we can write here sin A. Sin A means what? Root under 1 minus cos square A. So 1 minus cos square A means what? We can write here what? 1 minus 13 by square by 14 square. So we can write here 1 square minus 169 square minus 196. 196. So we can write here 196 minus 169 divided by 196. So we can write here what? 196 196 minus 169, 196 minus 169, 16 minus 16, either is a 9 and here is the 8. 8 में 6 means here we can write 27. So 27 means 3 root 3. 3 root 3 by 40. This is the value of cosine A, and here is the cos A. We can write here tan A. Tan A means what? Sin A by cos A. So sin A by cos A. So sin A, the value of sin A is what? The value of sin A you can see 3 root 3 by 40 divided by cos A means 13 by 40. Okay, 13 by 40. This is it will be the cancel here. So 3 root 13 by what? 13. Okay, so this is the formula. This is the value of tan A. So you can find the cosec A. Cosec A means reciprocal of sin A. So you can see sin A, that is the 14 by 3 root 3. You can say rationalize. Okay, so here is the cos A. After that sec A. Okay, sec A. So sec A you can write here. Sec A means what? The reverse of yes, 14 by 13. Okay, and here is the tan A means here is the cot A. So students, you can find, okay, you can find all of the values. Okay, I already discussed one value. Okay, so similarly you can find cos B, cos C. Okay, so you will get here all the trigonometric functions. Okay, so I am going to giving some questions regarding this topic so that you can find all of the trigonometric ratio. Okay, you can find all the trigonometric ratio. Okay, so first of all I am going to give some questions. Okay, so here is the A, here is the B, that is the C, here is the 4. Okay, 2 3 4. Okay, so next thing, A equals to what? 6, B equal to what? 7, C equals to 8. So next thing, that is the 4, B equals to 5, C equals to 6. Okay, next thing, that is the A equals to 3, B equals to 5 and C equals to 8. No, 8 no, 7. Okay, 4 5 yes, 4 5 9 yes, 7 5 12 yes, 4 5 7. Next is A equals to what? 8, B equals to what? 9 and C equals to 10. So student, you should find all the trigonometry ratio. Okay, sin A, cosine B, cos B regarding all the acute angles, angle A, angle B, angle C. Okay, so student, thank you.